Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So today's video I'm going to talk about 3-4 stocks that we played, made some money, they moved a lot and still they can move a lot next week. So I'm going to talk about how we planned, what was our price target and also how much we gained. So anyway, if you find this video useful, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Also, I have a private community. If you want, you can join my private community, just $9 per month. The link will be in the first comment, also in the description box. So I'm going to talk first of all about ticker symbol AMAM. You can see that from pre-market high of the day, even after hours, it was up almost 1100%. Insane. On my Discord community, in my private community, we were a little late. We entered around 1.1, but still like we made all the way to 4.5, which is 281%, almost 300%. So I'm going to talk about these. I'm going to also talk about NRBO for 20% move, SMMT 20% move, rent 40% move. So I'm going to talk all about this, how we planned and how we made some money. And if you find any value from this particular stock or if you made some money, please let me know in the comment section. So first of all, you know that on my private community Discord, which you can join through Patreon, I always come up with a list for ticker symbol with that entry, exit, and you can see that NRBO, AMAM, then MRIN, SMMT, and rent. Like these 5 moved a lot. So I'm going to talk about 4 of them, not going to touch probably. So let's talk about AMAM. So our entry was around 1.9. Now our target was only 3.1, right? But it went to 4.5 and strong pre-market, we talked about it. So see what happened. So when I was making the plan, I think it was around 9 o'clock, right? So it moved a lot. It came to 1.2. Then it came back to 1.09. So that's 1.09, right? 1.09, that was our bottom deep entry, right? But it never came to 1.09, right? It came around 1.1, went up, came down, then it was around 1.15, then we saw the reversal. And it was halted so many times. If I get rid of the candles, you can see that big volume came, then a big gap up, went up, came down, and it was halted so many times. In TradingView, it is not showing here, but it was halted so many times. So you can see big push 2.1, again halted, then again a big push, went all the way to 3.3, halt, came down, and then it was holding over 2.5, halted sometime, and again it moved. Now when I have my price target, how I did that. So if I go back to our hourly chart, normally how we do that, and let's see how we made the plan, right? So if you look at the stock, right, so there was some kind of support resistance thing. So 2.5 was our initial target. Then you see the line here, 3.8 was the other target, and if I go down, the next target would be something around 5, then something around 9.86. so that was the plan how we played. Even though I was out way early, I didn't play all the way to 4.5, but maybe somebody played because I gave the alert to our Discord members, so definitely it was a fun thing. But anyway, just wanted to show you how this thing was moving today. Like nice volume, came down, again a big push, came down. So again, it can move this coming week. Keep an eye for sure. It moved a lot. The other one is ticker symbol rent. And for the rent ticker symbol, we were talking about $2 support. You can see that today after the market open, it came at $2. It was holding this $2 area, and that was my profit, the green area versus the risk. So basically it was just a good reward versus risk potential. It came to 2, moved all the way to 2.8, which is almost 40% move from the entry. And I know many people made money on this particular stock. And this is not only today rent. I think we have been playing last Thursday. I think we are playing on ticker symbol RENT, rent. You can see that Thursday our entry was around 1.5. So some people are holding since then, and you see that Thursday, the day before, it came at 1.5, right at 1.5, and it moved from 1.5 all the way to like 2.5, 60%. Came down and bounced from 2. So back to back 2 days, nice day. Who knows, it can move even more if it can hold this 2.4 area. But anyway, it was a great day. And if I go to a 1 hour chart, you can see how we made the plan, right? How we made the plan. Or you always go on a higher time frame, look at the support resistance, 1.7 resistance, then 2 resistance which become the support, then some kind of resistance at 2.4, which I want it to hold now so that it can go to the next leg. We push. You see how it is happening. Go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down. So as long it is bouncing over this 2.4, I think it has some room all the way to 3.3, all the way to 3.3. If it can go over 3.3, who knows, $5. So another one should keep an eye on coming Monday. SMMT, another one, very strong, very strong. And if you are following my channel, you know, like SMMT, we were way earlier on $1, 1.2. SMMT, it was also on our list today. We talked about 3.5 entry and 3.2, we talked about 2 entries. And SMMT, it was also yesterday, we talked about 2.6. So this is on our radar because this is a multi-day runner and we are enjoying this particular one. Okay, and SMMT, you can see that even the day before we talked about 1.24 and 1.1. So this is a stock we are way early. I know someone on my Discord, he entered around 1.3 and currently he is almost like 185% up. So back to back 3 days we are playing, and why not? It's a multi-day runner. So goes up, comes down, holds and makes new support at 2, went up, comes down, make new support at 2.6, went up, comes down, makes new support at 3.5 area. So very strong. It might move one more day towards 4.8. Very strong, right? If you look how we played today, so you can play the stock over swing, you can play the stock with day trading, it's up to you. But see how we planned it, because yesterday it was holding this particular area, which is 3.5, right? So once the market opened, it came down a little bit around 4-5%. Then again a big push, went up all the way, came down and it held 3.5. Yes, today it was moving sideways, so we have to keep an eye. But again, 3.5, if it can hold as a support, it can move big again. The other one is NRBO. Yeah, this is NRBO. It did a nice move in the morning, then it came down. If you look at a 1-hour chart, you can see that it has some long area to go, like 7.8. It came down a lot, so it has some potential to move higher. Keep an eye. Today back, it did a nice move. You can see that the day before it did a nice move from 1.4 all the way to 2.2. Even in the morning for day trading it was okay because it moved, we made some money, came out. But in a bigger picture, if it can hold 1.6, that's a good support. That's a good support because from here it can go up again. It has lots of room upside. I also want to bring MRIN because this is one other stock we really played it well. If you look at a 3-minute chart, you can see that once the market opened, it came down. Then it started pushing. It went over the support at 1.47. It moved from 1.47 all the way to 1.8. From here to here, almost 23% gain, right? Came down. So when you do day trading, definitely I have a trade ideas, and on my Discord I always nowadays actually I post the chart with this kind of thing. So the thing is, if you enter here, your profit target from here all the way to 1.8, and your risk is this. So basically what we were doing here, let me see, maybe I can draw one more chart here. So sorry, not this one. So if you use TradingView, this is a great setup, right? So you can always see that, okay, my downside maximum loss I can take 4%, but on upside, if I'm correct, if the support is holding, I can get 23% profit. So 23 versus 4, almost like 6% gain over 1% loss. So 6-to-1 ratio. So very nice. So you can always have a plan. You enter with a tight stop loss. Sometime it works, sometime you enter, the stock can come down. So it happens. Look at this one today, right? It came down and then it pushed again. If you look at rent, see how we played today. And yeah, that was the plan, right? That's the entry, there's the stop loss, it never hit the stop loss, and then it pushed. So you can always come up with this kind of profit target. So anyway, do not want to make this a super long video, but all of these stock are looking good. We made a lot of money today. At the same time, they can move again Monday, so keep an eye. Also, just for $9 per month, you can always join and get access to my Discord. For email, you will basically just get this kind of trade alert by email, but I always say just spend $4 extra each month and you can get access to my Discord, so that you can participate in my general chat section, different indicators, chatting, direct communication, and so many things. So anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.